But somewhere along the lines comes कि okay, अब तो ये रणबीर कपूर का बचपन ही करेगा, अरे जूनियर रणबीर कपूर, like still people literally call me कि अरे ओ जूनियर रणबीर, छोटा रणबीर.
मुझे तो गूगल पढ़ा मैं आया कौन से जनरेशन की हूँ लिटरली एंड ओनली देन आई रियलाइज आई एम जेन
X, yeah.
आई थिंक हमारे शो में तो एक बिट्रेल खत्म नहीं होता, दूसरा शुरू हो जाता है.
आप शो देखिए ना फिर बात करें.
I actually was trying not to smile the whole film. Like it was like हंस मत scene.
Hello everyone, this is me Komal Vishwakarma and today on Peeping Moon we have Urvashi Dholakia, Barkha Bisht, Yash Sehgal and Riva Arora. Hello guys, कैसे हो आप लोग?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया.
Okay.
बिल्कुल बढ़िया है. जोर से बोलो सब लोग.
बिल्कुल बढ़िया है.
Congratulations for Power of 5. How is the excitement?
How's the
Amazing.
जोश?
Oh, thank you so much. ट्रेलर देखकर एकता कपूर का ना वो OG वाइब, वो चार्म नजर आ रहा है. नो डाउट बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स हैज गिवन अस आइकॉनिक शोज, बट हाउ डज पावर ऑफ 5 स्टैंड्स आउट?
आई थिंक पावर ऑफ 5 इसलिए स्टैंड आउट होता है क्योंकि ये शो इज विद टाइम, यू नो, ये आज के टाइम का शो है एंड जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ एकता इज ऑलवेज मूव विद टाइम.
यस.
तो जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है वैसे वैसे वो उन ऑडियंसेस को केटर कर रही हैं और आज की ऑडियंस को केटर करने के लिए उन्होंने पावर ऑफ 5 बनाया है और आप तक पहुंचाने की पूरी कोशिश की है.
Definitely. Okay. What inspired you all to explore such a project? What inspired you to take a project जो you know supernatural mysterious theme को explore करता है?
मैं तो खैर कर चुकी हूँ पहले एकता के साथ फैंटेसी शोज, सो इट्स फाइन. मेरे लिए तो जो बोलो ठीक है. मेरे लिए तो दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट OTT शो, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट रीजन फॉर बीइंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म एंड फॉर डूइंग दिस शो. सेकेंडली किरदार बहुत अच्छा है मेरा, बहुत ही अलग है, बहुत ही हटके है, ना कि जिस तरह लोग मुझे जानते हैं और याद करते हैं उससे काफ़ी हटके है. तो इसीलिए मैं इस शो पर आई हूँ.
I have a question related to that, but I'll ask that. But आप लोगों से जानना चाहेंगे, why did you take up such a project?
When you say why did you take up such a project makes it sound like it is a project that nobody should take up. But no, I think as actors, we want to push our limits. We want to explore different sides or facets of our acting abilities, and to do a show which is based on fictional elements, you know, humanizing those elements. I mean, it is completely fictional, but I think to push your abilities as an actor and say, okay, let me see if I can do this convincingly. It is a challenge that I think most actors would be up to taking, because that's our job, right? That's our job to pick any character and just portray it in the most convincing possible way. And yes, this comes with Power of 5. Because of the concept, it comes with its share of challenges. But I think as actors, we're always wanting to take on that challenge.
Yeah.
Because if it works, then it works for everybody.
Yes.
So yeah.
What about you, Yash?
For me, it's something very different, something I haven't really done pehle, and I auditioned for quite a lot of different scenes. So I had an idea of where there are a lot of things happening in the show. So that was something that got me hooked. And my character, as you'll see in the show, is doing a lot of things, and it's completely different than what I have done before.
Yes.
And there are a lot of scenes, there are a lot of sequences which were completely different for me also. So I was so very interested in that. So that's something which made me go like, okay, I want to do something like this.
I think doing something that is sci-fi and supernatural power based is always, you know, you want to do something that always, as a, you know, when you watch stuff, when you watch supernatural things, like when you watch shows, different shows which are based on powers, you always feel like, yes, I want to do something like this. And when I read my character Bela, I just fell in love with her. I mean, when I portrayed that character, when I did some of the scenes, I think I haven't done a role like this. It's me trying different things. And you can see as my character, she has done so many things. She has too much going on in her life. But then with that, she's moving forward, doing another thing. and she might actually even be a secret detective at this point.
Okay. Yash and Riva, Urvashi and Barkha has more experience in the industry than you were actually born.
Yeah.
So was it challenging to work with them?
Not at all. This
I
question,
love how अलग-अलग तरीकों से ये सवाल
There-
पूछा
Yes.
जा रहा है.
not
More
at all.
experience, growing up you have watched them, age difference, and I'm like, okay.
Not at all. It was not challenging to work with them. They are sweethearts.
Hmm.
And we love them a lot, and working with them was amazing, and they made us so comfortable. We used to dance on set, we used to have so much fun on set, and it was amazing to spend time with them. Aisa to nahi they gave us a hard time or a challenge. They are love, they're very sweet.
Challenging to definitely नहीं. Obviously, they made us very comfortable on set. कुछ भी जो भी होता था, we could just ask them and they'd answer that, and we had a lot of fun. हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसा we used to, as she said, कि हमने डांस भी किया है, हमने ऐसा बातें भी की है बहुत सारी, and they actually taught us a lot of things. So I remember this one scene where I actually had to just shout and vent, and I was having a breakdown. And my Barkha ma'am scene was done. So her clothes were done, so she was sitting side में. So our director sir, he was making me do different variations and all. And then this one, the last take which I did, he was like, okay, I got it. So I asked sir ki, why this take? So he said that I was looking at Barkha's reaction, and in that last, yeah, Iqbal just said this. I was looking at Barkha's reaction, and in the last take, she nodded. Aisa. Meaning, for me, that was the cue ki, okay, I got what I wanted out of the scene. So there were a lot of instances like these were like, okay, there's someone
You know, working
who
with them, you
look
can
up to.
go and ask them
Yeah.
anything. They are the people we look up to. We can go ask them anything related to acting or either it be personal related. We were just so comfortable around them.
Aww.
Friendship has evolved.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes,
Yes,
yes.
it has.
You can call it friendship. You can call it bonding. You can call
Yeah.
it. I would rather call it. I would call it a mother-child thing.
Oh,
Yes.
how
Yeah, I mean, say it
sweet.
is because they are children. By the end of the day, we look at them. We look at it that way. So yes, I mean, if someone can, if we can guide somebody, why not?
Yeah. How was it working with Gen Z actors?
Are they Gen Z? They're Gen Z.
Yeah.
Sarenge.
Wala Gen Z?
Yeah.
Yes.
अच्छा
Oh.
मुझे नहीं मालूम था
Uh,
मुझे तो गूगल पढ़ना पड़ा मैं कौन से जनरेशन की हूँ लिटरली
I
and
don't
only
even
then I
know.
realized I'm Gen X.
X. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
Gen
Gen
X. How was it working with them? It was great. Yeah, it was. You know, there is this fresh energy that they bring, and there's a certain rawness that they bring. You know, which I think we had when we entered the industry. Over the years, that rawness goes away, and of course, experience takes over. So, you know, to be in a place of experience and suddenly come face to face with complete raw talent, it's quite exciting actually, because it takes you back. I mean, it took me back almost 20 years saying that, hey, this is who I was. And it was fun. It was almost like you're facing, you know, a version of yourself that you were, and saying that now let's the two of us work together, you know. So that was quite exciting. And these kids are so great. I mean, they were like well behaved. I think that's
Yeah.
the first thing that I say, because there is this notion that I believe that a lot of people of this generation aren't really the most well behaved, you know. I think their
I would
idea
say they're
of
pampered.
the idea of respect, gratitude, gratefulness, you know, seniority, all of that seems to be a little muddled. But I think this complete lot, they were extremely well behaved, extremely respectful, you know, and they're all like, you know, doing things in their own right. You know, Riva out here is extremely popular on social media, and you know, that whole generation, right? But I never felt that they had any airs about it. They were there as literally as students, saying that, hey, we're here doing this show and we want to learn, whether it is from the director, whether it is from senior actors like us. And that I thought was a very endearing quality.
Yes, definitely.
It's
Yeah,
rare
I have to
in
give
this
that.
generation.
I have to give that to Aditya as well. He's playing my son in
yeah.
the show.
Yes.
I mean to say, till today, whenever he messages me, "Kaise ho aap, Ammi? How are you doing, Ammi?" He will call me Ammi only. He will not, you know. So that, yeah. So well behaved as I probably will think is an understatement. I think they are, I don't know what they are.
But well brought. I mean, all.
I mean to say, yeah.
All the
all of
gratitude,
them.
of course, goes to the parents.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
because an industry
The
like
upbringing
ours,
is amazing.
industry like ours exposes these kids to so much that they can so easily go astray.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I think to all the mothers out there, especially who brought up these kids, amazing.
You too.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
mother.
Right.
Wow.
here.
Okay, Yash, you've done a lot of TV commercials, shows, but how has playing young Ranbir Kapoor helped you in your career? How has it impacted you?
I mean, impacted. I mean, obviously, it got me a lot of reach. Like, a lot of people know me now, and they are all, even though I'm like 19 now, and I did that when I was like 12, 13, they are still like, oh, I watched your film. It's a cult classic. You were lovely. And I actually was trying not to smile the whole film. Like, it was like hasmat scene. So that was how I was. But they still come up to me कि I watched your film, I loved your performance, it moved me. So obviously I'm very grateful for that. But somewhere along the lines comes कि okay, अब तो ये रणबीर कपूर का बचपन ही करेगा, अरे junior रणबीर कपूर. Like still people literally call me कि अरे ओ junior रणबीर, छोटा रणबीर. So that is something which I do not like, because that I want to leave a mark of my own. Ki, okay, I'm Yash. That's what my mom also says to them also when they say something like that. So my mom is also like, he's Yash. He's not. I did a role. Okay, that was in the past. Now I also have to move forward. But I'm very grateful for the film, for Ranbir Kapoor, for Imtiaz sir, and just everyone. It was a lovely experience.
Urvashi ma'am, out of this everything, you know, you are also being called Komolika. मतलब आधे लोग तो वैसे ही जाते हैं, but what Yash said
आधे
अभी-
नहीं, सारे लोग वैसे ही हैं.
but what Yash said अभी कि उन्हें नहीं पसंद आता है, what do you have to say about that thing?
Initially सबका reaction I think वैसे ही होता है. I wouldn't disagree with him क्योंकि एक point आता है जब आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं और आपको उस वक्त ऐसे लगता है कि आपको पीछे रोका जा रहा है, you know, आपको वहीं पे उसी point पे रोक दिया गया है. But over the years, and it takes a lot of time, but you will get there.
Yeah.
You will get to the point where you will realize that it was for the best. I mean to say, if people do recognize you, and recognition in any manner
Yeah.
is good.
Definitely.
Any recognition is good recognition,
Yes.
according to
Yes.
me. So, but it shouldn't stop you. Because I don't think so. You can't give anybody the power to stop you. It's in you. It's in your head. So I had to teach myself that. कि नहीं, why am I thinking that way? कि सब लोग मुझे बस इसी नाम से जानते हैं. मतलब पर मैं अपने आप को रोक रही थी मेरे thoughts में. You know, मेरे thoughts मुझे रोक रहे थे. Not that anybody else was trying to stop me.
Yeah.
And even if they were, I'm not going to let them. So I will not allow them. So you will come to that point,
Yeah.
you know, where eventually the Ranbir Kapoor will go away, and after about 2 years, Yash Sehgal will emerge. Trust me on this.
उर्वशी इसी से रिलेटेड मेरा एक्चुअली एक सवाल है. For some actors, it is very easy to look fresh in every other role, and for some, it comes with experience. So how has your case been?
What do you mean by fresh?
मतलब कट टू, मतलब हर जैसा भी इसी बारे में बात हुई, जैसे रणबीर कपूर की बात हुई, तो आप हर कैरेक्टर को अलग ही वे में ढाल देते हो अपने आप को. For some people it is easy, for some people it is not.
मैंने कभी इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं.
But that's what defines a good
but
and
that,
a not so
yeah,
good
I
actor.
mean,
no?
so that's what an actor is all about, है ना?
Yeah.
आप हर किरदार तो एक जैसा होता नहीं है, और मैं एक जैसा किरदार तो करना भी नहीं चाहती, और ना ही मैंने किया है.
Yes.
So let's get facts right.
Yes.
वो अलग बात है कि जब मैंने वो एक किरदार किया था, वो इतना हावी हो गया था कि उसके बाद मैंने बहुत मतलब I tried to break out of it also. It's not that I did not make any conscious efforts. मैंने comedy भी किया. I've done reality also. मैंने वो भी जीत लिया. You know, people got to know the real me also after that. But like you said, वो एक title है. But I take it as a title. I take it as a winning title for me. Please understand that. It's another feather in my cap.
Yeah, correct.
और जब मुझे कोई ना कोई अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार मिलते हैं, अभी हाल ही में मैंने एक शो में लॉयर प्ले किया, where I was again out and out positive, but she was independent and she was very strong. मतलब ढालना पड़ता है आप. अगर वो एफर्ट तो करना पड़ता है, हर एक्टर को करना पड़ता है, वरना मैं आज यहाँ थोड़ी ना बैठी होती अगर मैं एफर्ट नहीं कर रही होती तो.
No, the thing
हाँ.
is it easy for you or क्या?
No, yeah, of course. I mean to say, of course, it's easy for me. क्योंकि एक बार एक किरदार खत्म हो गया, you snap out of it,
Correct.
and then you enter the new one. At least that for me, that's the way it works. I don't know for anyone else. I can't. Method acting, मुझे ये सब नहीं पता चलता, मुझे ये सब समझ में नहीं आता है. मुझे जब कुछ ऑफर किया जाता है, मैं बोलती हूँ अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे नरेशन दे दो. 1 मिनट मुझे लगता है, अगर आप 1 मिनट में मुझे कन्विंस कर दोगे, then I am on board.
Okay.
But if it takes you a little more time to convince me, then I will start thinking and doubting कि well, नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता. But वो आपके पास 1 मिनट है, 60 सेकंड है. वो सामने वाले को नहीं मालूम है, अब पता चल जाएगा सबको. Obviously after I've said that, but that's the truth.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the way you narrate things to me. You have to have that power of
Yes, correct.
the narrative has to be so powerful
Yeah.
that you will make me commit to you.
The aura has to be done.
Yeah, it has to. But it doesn't. It's never been difficult for me.
Okay. Barkha, what do you love the most about Power of 5 जो आपने पहले previous projects में कभी भी experience नहीं किया है?
See, पहले कभी भी नहीं किया is I don't think would really be apt for me. Right now I've been in the industry for about 20 years,
Yeah.
more than 20 years. So I can't say that I have never done something like this before. Yes, this genre maybe.
Yes.
I haven't done this genre as such. So yeah, I think that's probably the only thing that I would say. But otherwise, in terms of my character, I mean, I have played a twin before. Like I play, a double role on this show. I have a twin sister. I've done that also before. But what is really unique is, I think, like I said earlier, this mix of a whole bunch of new talent and a bunch of experienced actors.
Yes.
I think that is a little, normally it'll be like one person here and there, right? But I think this is like two completely different generation, two different teams of people who have come together as one team. I think that is one of the most unique things about this show, and that's why it caters not only to the youth, because it comes across maybe like a youth show, but it is not, and the uniqueness is that it caters to all age groups. So that probably I think is a little different from some of the other shows that I've done. So yeah.
Okay, second last question. Betrayal वाली vibe आ रही है. कभी किसी से धोखा खाया लाइफ में और कभी उससे जाके revenge लिया है?
ऐसा एक इंसान बता दो दुनिया में जिसने धोखा नहीं खाया
नहीं,
है.
revenge आप लोगों ने लिया है.
नहीं, I don't believe in revenge. I believe in karma.
No, you're talking about the trailer.
Yeah,
You're
trailer
getting the
में-
vibe of betrayal and
Yes.
revenge. Oh. हाँ. बहुत से betrayals हैं वैसे.
Why did you give me that?
No, I mean because there's a line
हमारे
of
शो में तो
yours.
betrayal के बाद betrayal है.
Because in the trailer
Yeah,
she
yeah.
says कि mom
कि
आपने
mom ने
बहुत झूठ
बहुत
बोला
झूठ
है
बोला है,
मुझसे
yes.
and all.
आई
Yes.
थिंक हमारे शो में तो एक बिट्रेल खत्म नहीं होता, दूसरा शुरू
दूसरा,
हो जाता है.
yeah.
आप शो देखिए ना फिर बात
No, there are
करें.
a lot of secrets
You'll have
on
to
this
see
show.
the show to
Exactly.
understand how many
Definitely.
betrayals and how many revenges are there.
Then you also tell us how many betrayals.
And how we avenge it.
Avengers.
हाँ, show में तो full on we are avenging also. We
Yeah.
are,
Yes.
We're
there are
taking revenge
secrets coming
also.
out also. सब कुछ हो रहा है.
Everything.
Yes.
Fighting for our loved
It's
ones, protecting
mysterious,
our
it's
loved
thrilling,
ones.
it's dramatic, it's
It's a mix
entertaining.
of everything.
Yeah.
It's a complete package deal. Power
Package
of
deal.
Punch.
Okay. What's next after Power of 5?
More
Season
work.
2.
Season 2, hopefully.
All right. Well, that's not the end of it. I have a very quick rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll wrap it up quickly. Okay. One word to describe each other. One में से आप जवाब दे.
So she has to describe all of us in one word.
हाँ.
Huh? अच्छा. अच्छा वैसे okay. One word to describe everyone.
Each other, yeah.
Each other. Barkha. Gorgeous. Yash. Cutie. Reva. Professional.
Wow. Okay.
Urvashi, inspiring. I was going to say Barkha. Okay, Urvashi, inspiring. Yash, raw talent. The raw talent. He's raw talent for me. I love that. Riva, I'm trying to find. I can't find one for eager to learn.
Oh.
Yeah,
Enthusiast.
enthusiast. But she's very eager to learn. I like that about her. Yeah.
Riva would be bubbly. I've never seen ekdam jolly khila hua person. I haven't worked. with-
खिला हुआ
Yeah, she's always happy. She's recording. She'll record herself. She'll record everyone.
Full of life.
Full of
Yeah.
life.
Life.
Barkha ma'am is like a mother figure for me. And Urvashi ma'am is definitely an inspiration. Someone I look up to.
Thank you.
Inspiration, Urvashi ma'am is inspiration. Urvashi ma'am is inspiration, sweetheart. And Barkha ma'am is gorgeous. And I would say the most amazing person as well, because I had many scenes with her.
Yes.
And for him, I would use the word shy. He was very shy when I first met him.
Oh, okay. Which supernatural power you would love to have?
Anything we can choose now.
Yes, anything.
Now I want to be
Same.
invisible.
Oh, that was mine.
Now I want to be
Teleportation.
invisible.
Teleportation.
Okay.
He's sticking to air and teleportation.
Air, हाँ.
He's connected to air भाई. इसका air ये confirmed है. ये air में ही घुसेगा. हाँ. बोलो बोलो.
Now I want to be invisible.
Be fire for a change.
Yeah.
She already is.
I'm already am.
Perfect.
Okay.
मैं तो
Fire is
बहता
not a
पानी हूँ.
superpower. No, fire is not a superpower.
Yeah.
Okay, then be a dragon.
How is that a superpower?
Okay, fine. Okay. Teleportation. I don't know. I don't know.
Shapeshifter.
What?
Shapeshifter.
Yeah,
Which
that's
means that I can take
interesting.
on the body of anybody. So I can become Urvashi and then do stuff and say, hey, wasn't me. Yeah.
Now I'm stuck. Now, what will be my superpower? What superpower do I want to have? Chala, I'm going to say I would love to read people's minds.
Yeah.
I think हमारा telepathy हो गया अभी. मैं यही सोच रही थी अभी. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, choose one. Love or friendship?
Friendship with love. Or love with friendship.
Love.
There can't be love without friendship.
Yeah. Love.
Love.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
प्यार दोस्ती.
फिल्मी तो तुम बहुत प्यार दोस्ती वही करना है ना कुछ तो ऐसा है ना.
Honesty or loyalty?
Both.
Ah, that's a
Both.
loyalty.
Honesty.
Both.
Yeah, I could be dishonest for loyalty.
Okay. Funniest person on set?
Funniest person on set?
Aditya.
I was going to say Aditya.
Who is he? He's playing Ali.
Okay.
Yeah,
him.
her son. Yeah, he's
Funniest
really
person.
funny.
I thought I was funny. How? When did he? He's never been funny in front of
Urvashi
me.
ma'am.
He's never been funny in front. No, he never. What
Huh?
funny? Give me one example. Okay, now tell me. हाँ मेरे को एक example दो. मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं पता.
It's funny.
But
He's
it's
a
Aditya.
silent. He's a
नहीं, मेरे
silent
बेटे को भी कुछ मिला
funny.
ना. कोई तो title मिले या अली.
Yeah, Urvashi ma'am. I'll say
Aditya.
Urvashi ma'am now.
Okay. Weird habit of each other?
अरे यार.
Can I please start?
Yes.
Barkha can eat at any given point of time.
Oh. See, she's so shocked. Nobody's gonna believe you, Urvashi.
I
Does
have
it look
proof.
like I eat anytime?
I have
anything?
proof. I have proof.
Yeah, which only she has.
Not
That's
a,
why
Tomorrow you will see it on Instagram. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, spill beans.
हाँ,
not
weirdness अब
not
बोलो.
a weird habit, but Urvashi ma'am, what we all the kids talked about. Urvashi ma'am used to carry a electric racket for mutton and she just used to do this. Mosquito racket.
Yes,
and
yes,
just
yes.
this,
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
No
very
mosquito
weird.
around her anywhere.
Yeah, but she would always carry it around. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was weird.
फिर रीवा के कोई weird habits बता दो.
हाँ lip gloss.
I was just going to say lip gloss. All the
उसका
time.
lip gloss तो मतलब ऐसे लगे वो lip gloss ही चिपका ले यहाँ पे बस ऐसे कर लो.
Yeah, she said a lot
Permanent
of
lip
times.
gloss अगर किसी ने develop कर दिया दुनिया में तो I think Riva would be the ambassador for it.
Yeah.
Would you use any supernatural power to change anything from your past?
No,
I think from my past.
Yes.
No.
No.
nothing.
Yes. But I don't have to say what or why. Yes.
Okay.
I want to. Yeah.
What sort of person will like your character?
What kind of person will
Like
Will
your
like your
character.
character. Everybody.
like my character on the show?
Yes.
What kind of person?
My kind of person will like my character
Yeah, I
on
think
the show.
Yeah, I think every generation will like all of our characters because every character has its own layers and its own stuff to deal with as well.
Because we're all doing different things.
Yeah.
We're all
Yeah.
very, very different characters on the show.
Every character has their own story.
Yeah, correct. If you had to dedicate a song to your loved one, which song would it be?
एक थोड़ी ना.
एक song कैसे choose?
Anything.
Could be anything.
कोई एक song तो होगा.
प्यार दोस्ती है like you said.
कुछ तो original कर ले. I don't know.
Even I
No,
don't know.
I can't
think.
think
Oh,
of one
on the
song.
spot, yaar.
Can't think of
Song
one
we
song.
can't think of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. All right. So we'll.
What would you think? What is the
would
one
you-
thing that you will? What one
Yeah.
song would you dedicate? Tell me. थोड़ा inspiration
Your
यहाँ
loved
से भी ले लेते हैं. हाँ.
Like there are so many songs.
Exactly.
Exactly. How to choose one song?
There's so many songs. You said it yourself.
Okay. All right. No worries. So we'll wrap this interview here.
All
Thank
right.
you so
Yes,
much,
thank you
guys.
so much.
Wish you all the very best.
Thank
Power
you
of
so
Fun.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.